Show me your thumb. Show me the thumb. Oh, show me the thumb. You're waving it around. Go ahead, try to get that thumb over your mouth. Go ahead. Wait till Hannah sees that you snuck your thumb out. Look at you. Yep. Let's see that thumb. Oh, you are just moving around so much. I can't even capture a picture of that. Oh, there it is. There's the thumb sticking out. Ha-ha-woo. What does that mean? You are such a cute little fuss budget. You are such a cute little fuss budget. Go ahead. Show me how you get your exercise. Show me. What noise was that? Trying out another new one? God bless you. Labriut. Salud. You're going to burn off a few calories running that race. Ooh. Showing how you can roll over. Huh? You look like a little gymnast. Hey. And a few snorkels in there too? Was that a couple snorkels I heard? Hey you. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Jordan. Jordan. What's that noise? What's that noise? Yeah. Where's the big smile? Where's the big smile? You're just following the camera around with your eyes today. Ready to start your morning? Huh, big girl? Oh. Let there be light. That was a good one. Nice and loud. How else can you say good morning? Good morning, Jordan. Boker tov, Yarden. Buenos dias, Jordan. Is that how you say good morning? Hey. Hey, you. Hey, you. Hi. Hi. Uh-oh, I don't want to... You're not going to show me the lip, are you? I don't want to see the little lip. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, say bye. Good one.